Are you ready to challenge your brain like never before? Today we are diving into the world of osmosis and diffusion, but not the way you learned it in school. These 10 quiz questions are twisted, tricky, and totally mind-bending. I can assure you only genius will score above 5. So if you think you have what it takes, let's begin.
Question 1. What process occurs when water diffuses across a membrane? Osmosis. Question 2. What does high concentration area mean? Tightly packed together. Question 3. When particles move from area of high concentration to area of less concentration, this has taken place. Diffusion has taken place. Question 4. Why is diffusion and osmosis important to cells? It allows them to take in materials without using energy. Question 5. What does selectively permeable mean? Selectively permeable means the cell controls what passes in and out of the cell. Question 6. What is diffusion? Diffusion is the movement of molecules from high concentration to low concentration. Question 7. Where is there a low concentration of the dye? The low concentration of the dye is at the bottom of the cup. Question 8. During osmosis, what happens? During osmosis, water moves from high to low concentration. The key word here is water, moving from high water concentration to low water concentration. Question 9. Permeable means? Permeable means things can pass through. Question 10. Movement of particles from high to low concentration is? Passive transport. A good example is diffusion and osmosis.